Guys, come on. Hello?
Sir.
Sir. Sir.
Hello, boys.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to discuss the class parts of speech in parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Boys, what is parts of speech?
Pronoun.
Eight.
Noun, pronoun.
Verb, adjective.
Noun,
Noun,
verb,
pronoun, verb,
adverb,
subjective, preposition, interjection,
adverb, preposition,
transition.
conjunction, and adjective.
So that is the parts of speech according to yourself. That is the parts of speech according to yourself. For myself, that is only parts. What is a speech? For myself, I have the knowledge. For myself, I have knowledge of that. For myself, I have knowledge of that. Okay, guys. Now you are telling. Now you are told to us here the parts in that noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, preposition, interjection, conjunction. So like that you are selling the parts in the language. Parts in the language. That is only parts in the language. But parts of speech. Parts of speech. See here in the language, some of the words is grouping, making a group, and it is a scatter, a meaningful sentence. It is called a parts of a speech. It's called a parts of speech. Say for example, Ramu is a good boy. Ramu is a good boy. So all of these sentence. All the sentence is Ramu is a good boy. Is it a meaningful and also having sense? And also having sense. Ramu is a good boy. So for here, Ramu is one word, is another word, a is another word, good is another word, and boy is another word. Say for example, is good by a Ramu. Is good by a Ramu. Is it a meaningful sentence?
No, sir.
Is it a meaningful sentence?
No,
And
sir.
also not having sense. Say for example, all of the words is set up in a meaningful sentence is called part. Say for example here Ramu is a noun, is a verb, a an adjective, good is an adjective, boy is common noun.
Noun.
So all of these making a order and meaningful sentence is called parts of a speech. Is called a parts of speech. So here from that language, in the language, how many parts are there? In the language, how many parts are there? Boys?
8, sir.
8 parts are there in our English language. For English language, parts of speech is decided into 8 kinds of parts. Otherwise, in our mother tongue Telugu, how many parts? In Telugu language, Namavachakam. Say boys, Namavachakam. Then second one,
Sarvanamam,
Sarvanamam.
Visheshanam,
Third one,
Kriya.
third one,
Kriya
Kriya.
Visheshanam.
Kriya. And fourth one,
Visheshanam.
Visheshanam. And fifth one,
కర్మ
Fifth one, Kriya Visheshanam. Kriya
క్రియా
Visheshanam. Kriya Visheshanam. 5 kinds are in English or Telugu language. What is that? Only 5 kinds. Koti Vasanta. Koti Vasanta. Please,
సార్
Koti Vasanta, your phone is mute.
సార్
Okay, boys. The next thing for here in English language, first one noun, second one pronoun, then third one word, then fourth one adjective, then fifth one adverb, then sixth one preposition, and seventh one conjunction, and eighth one interjection. Interjection, conjunction and interjection. So here we are already discussed to you. I already discussed to you here. The one thing I told you now, one thing I told you now, one thing I told you now, I send you, hello, hello, I send you slides now. I send you slides
Okay,
now,
sir.
please. Okay, guys.
ఓకే సార్
Wait. So that is one is parts of speech. Then second one I'll come. I'll say share you. And second one. I'll share you just second one. Wait, boys. Wait.
ఓకే సార్
Okay. I'll share you now another one. I'll share you another one. Boys. Then what is this?
8 parts of
What is
speech.
this? What is this? Parts of speech. Parts of speech.
Speech.
What are they?
Noun,
What are there in
pronoun,
the
verb.
screen? What are the
Noun,
screen? Boys, please respond.
Noun, pronoun, verb,
Please
adjective,
respond, boys.
adverb,
What are the screen?
adjective, adverb, adjective,
Ah. Ah.
noun, pronoun, verb,
Next.
interjection,
Next.
interjection,
Next. Okay, very good, very good. Then read one more person, please, boys. Respond.
noun, pronoun,
Ah.
noun, pronoun, verb, adjective,
Ah.
adverb,
Ah.
preposition,
Ah.
conjunction,
Ah.
interjection,
What?
Conjunction.
Repeat once.
conjunction, interjection, conjunction, conjunction, interjection, sir. Sir.
Hello, boys.
Sir.
Then send one more video to you now. One more slide.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Noun.
Noun.
Then O-U-N, noun. Definition: a person, place, or a thing.
Thing.
Person, place, or a thing.
Or a thing.
Examples is
Cat.
there. Cat,
Fireman.
fireman,
House.
houses,
Pencil.
pencil, Chicago.
Chicago.
Then here, yeah, the person's definition of noun. What is the definition of noun?
A
Names
person,
that can be
place, or thing.
names that can be applied to persons, places, or things.
Thing.
Persons, places, or
Or a
thing.
thing.
Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago.
Chicago.
Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. These are the names. These are the names. Then I will send you another one. What is this? What is this?
Pronoun.
Pronoun. A word used in place of noun. Before I send one example is noun. Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. These are the names of places, persons, and things. Now we are saying pronoun instead of noun. Now we are going to discuss pronoun instead of a noun. See, what is that definition? A word used in place of a noun. A word used in place of a noun. Then before we discuss here fireman. Fireman. Instead of fireman, we used he. Okay. Instead of fireman, we used pronoun he. Okay, boys. And say for example, one more example to there. Say for example, Radha. Instead of we use
She.
She.
Sir. Sir.
okay, boys. Hello. Boys.
Sir.
Fireman we are using instead of
He.
fireman we are using instead of he, and Radha we are using instead of Radha she. So that means here fireman is a noun and he is a pronoun. Okay, boys.
Yes, sir.
Fireman is a noun and he is a pronoun. అర్థమైందా? ఫైర్మ్యాన్
Yes, sir.
ఒక పేరు అయితే దానికి బదులుగా వాడేది సర్వనామం. అతడు అనేది వాడుతూ ఉన్నాం. అవునా? అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As well
అర్థమైంది సార్.
as we are using instead of nouns, we are called pronouns. He, she, it, they, you, we. Okay, got it there? He, she, it, they, you, we. Okay, boys. He, she, it, they, you, we. These are the pronouns. These are the pronouns. These are the pronouns. And one more thing, for these he, she, it, and they, we, you, all of these calling personal pronouns. Personal pronouns.
Personal pronouns.
One more we are calling that he, she, it, they, you, we. And I also. And I also. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
I, we,
He,
you, they, he, she, it. All of these. Among these, all 7 pronouns is called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. And one more slide I will send you now. One more slide I will send you now.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Sir.
Boys.
Yes, sir.
One more slide.
Yes,
Then what is this?
Verb.
What is this?
Verb.
What is this?
Verb, sir.
Verb. Definition. Definition. What is that? A word that tells. A word that tells what someone. A word that tells what someone or something does. An action, word, or mode of being. See, who was making noise? Who's making noise today? Boys? Then what is this definition? A word that tells what someone or something does. An action, word or word of a being. See here, doer of the action. Doer of the action. Here, someone or something. Someone or something. A person is doing some work which implies the word. Say, for example, what I am doing now? Boys?
Teaching, sir.
Boys. What is that teaching? The action is done by me. The action is doing by me. So that is called someone or something does. Someone or something does. ఎవరైతే ఒక పని చేస్తూ ఉంటున్నారో దాన్ని యాక్ట్ వెర్బ్ అనేసి అంటారు.
Verb అంటారు,
So
sir.
here, sit,
క్రియ.
laugh, run, jump, drink, dance, jump, walk, eat, run. Okay, guys? Sleep,
Sir.
bath. So
Okay, sir.
all of these verbs, all of these verbs. And so here now we are going to discuss another slide. We are going to discuss another slide. Among these Among these, noun, voice, parts of speech. Now we are going to discuss noun, pronoun, verb. Noun, pronoun, verb. Then of these, time is over. Boys,
Sir.
our time is over. The meeting will be ended. The meeting will be ended for your tomorrow's homework. For your tomorrow's homework, just you can do noun and noun definition and collected noun examples, and pronoun definition and collected pronoun examples, and verb definition and collected verbs. That is your homework for tomorrow class.
Okay,
So
sir.
guys, bye.
Okay, sir.